Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a wig review. So this here was sent to me from Dajluxe. This is what everything came in. I just like opened it up, but this is what came in the box. Also what's in the box is this lashes. I'm going to put a link to the lashes in the description box below for you guys, and also is the Dajluxe glue adhesive if you want to stick down your hair, but I won't even do that right now because after this video I'm about to go work out, so I'm not gonna stick it down because I know I'm gonna sweat. But I just want to show you guys what the wig looks like. Now I will list everything in the description box below, including the specs of the hair, but let me just show you guys what the wig look like. I haven't even opened it to see what it looks like, so it's just gonna be like a first impression for both of us. So the hair is a straight front lace wig, and this color looks like it's growing from the scalp. Can be cut, colored, and styled to your desire. I believe this length is 12-inch and it's a natural 1B hair. The cap size is medium and the density is 130%. The style is straight. So this is what the wig came in. So let's just see what the wig looks like. I have no idea what this wig looks like because I didn't even get a chance to even like look at it. Okay, so this is what she looks like, and let me just show you guys the inside. So this is the inside of the wig. There's 3 combs, 2 on each side, and there's 1 in the middle here. It looks like a 13x4. So this is what it looks like here. This is what a lace looks like. I'm not even sure if this is pre-plucked, but it looks like it. I didn't get any shading at all, so style the hair so you guys can see exactly how I try to style it. Now, I like the hair, but I feel like it needs more hair. As you guys can see, like it's not a lot of hair, okay, to work with. What I could tell you about this hair is that there's no shedding. That's one thing I like about it, but I still like the hair. I like the length of it, but I wish there was a little bit more hair, a little more tracks in the hair to work with, because if you guys could see, like, you see how thin it is, and like it's not a lot of hair to work with. I'm not sure, I don't really want to say anything bad, but that is just my preference. I like a full head, but that's the only thing that I don't like about it, but I try my best. I wanted to do a center part, and you guys see in the video, the center part was not working for me. I used my wax that I got from Amazon. I use this wax all the time and it still wasn't sticking down, so I just swoop it on this side and done with it. I like it like this. It just fits me a little bit much better. I think this is like a 10 to a 12 inch, but it looks like a 12 inch to me. I will correct myself in the description box below if I made a mistake. Beside that, I like the wig. I really don't know how much for this wig, but I will put it in the description box for you guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair. Do you think that this company need to put more tracks in this hair? Let me know what you guys think. But I did try my best to work with it. But let me know what you guys think about this wig. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.